So some of you are having a problem with Visual Studio, Unity and Visual Studio, and let's say like here's this project right here. I'm going to open up this script, and when Visual Studio opens up, it just opens up this window right here. Um, and you can see here that while this is mono behavior, it's not the same color as end early, the class name. And over here, there's no way to select between different files in your project as well. And that's because the way that Unity is currently set up right now, it's using opening through basically the file extension. What we need to go is to Edit, Preferences, and under this tab, External Tools. Now I'm already here. And you can see right now it is set up for open by file extension. We want to pull down and select your version of Visual Studio. I'm going to go 2019, but you'll probably have 2022, but you want to have it open with Visual 2019. When you do, then it's like, hey, generate project files, local things. Make sure you click regenerate project files. I usually do it twice just for the sake of it. Um, and then you can close this. And once you've done that, now when you click, make sure we close Visual Studio now. Now when I open the script through Unity now, again, you can see this bar, the solutions bar now shows up. And then across here, we've got mono behavior showing up in the same color as early. And that's showing now that you've got the IntelliSense and what you didn't have before was all the IntelliSense features that, the packages for Unity were active. And now that we've done open it this way, it's now showing up. This is now showing up correctly. Vector 3 shows up. Transform shows up correctly. Debug shows up correctly. And they're not unknown things previously. And this is going to help you just make sure you're set up this way. It's going to help you like once you realize this is what's going on and you set this up, everything it'll be much easier. You'll have access to, again, the IntelliSense of the Unity engine pieces that you didn't have